medicine.
Yeah, Mama. I'm sorry, Doctor. You're no longer welcome here.
What do we do now, sir?
Tell him you won't leave without the egg. What can he do? Put us in prison?
Yes, I'm afraid we cannot leave without the Urgelbird egg.
You heard the doctor, Sheldon, and you heard me. What is your decision, my son?
This is certainly a fine mess we've gotten ourselves into.
Rather a poor situation.
Poor Urgelbird egg. A rotten break.
I hope that egg doesn't break, Chi-Chi.
I'm afraid we'll be a bit late to do any egg rescuing.
He's right.
Ah, come on, you guys. We'll beat this rap yet. You gotta get it together and everything will be groovy.
Get it together, George?
You know, keep grinning, man. Stay loose.
When you wear a happy smile upon your face, you'll find the whole world smiling the way it's bound to. And if you begin to sing a song, you'll hear a sound of music that soon surrounds you. Why not give it a try? You've got nothing to lose. Start right now, set your grin, hum that tune, you're bound to win. Just keep thinking happy thoughts and doing happy things, and somehow something will start to happen. I don't know just why it always works. I only know that you better not be caught napping. For as long as you live, you have something to give. When you wear a happy smile. Something to give when you wear a happy smile. When you wear a happy smile.
George is right. We can't let this get us down. We're going to find a way out. Someone will realize we're here. With our luck, it will probably be the pirates.
Let me reiterate, there are to be no errors today. I have minimized Cyclops' role in this case. Now, when we get there... Sacré! Trouble already, mon ami. The Maharaja has Dolittle in the jail. Dolittle in jail?
That's to make you wonder what's wrong with the world. They throw a nice guy like that in a jail, and we's still out on the street.
True. There is no justice, which is why business is so good. But we will have to alter our plans slightly. Now listen, when we get to the palace, Nico and Noko will... Halt, strangers! Step aside, knave. It is I, Sahib Scurvy and Associates, to see his royal regality.
Just where do you think you're going?
I told you, enter the palace.
No one gets by without the password.
The password?
That's what I said.
Well, of course, I know the password.
What is it?
Don't you know?
I am the official palace guard. I always know the password.
Good. That makes two of us.
Well, let's hear it.
Hear what?
The password.
Which one?
Scrambled eggs.
Oh, that one. It's scrambled eggs.
Well, thank you. Pass.
Oh, no. Thank you. I will put in a good word for you with the Maharaja.
Sheldon, be a good boy. Eat the nice egg for your mother.
But, Mama, I'm not hungry now.
Believe me, you're hungry.
I am?
Such a hunger you have. You're starving. Now eat the egg.
Greetings and happy birthday, O noblest of the noble. Allow me to introduce myself.
Oh, yes, please do that.
Never mind. Whatever you're selling, we don't want any.
Yeah, forget it. And we don't want it, whatever you got.
But, sir, I am not a salesman.
Yes, you are, boss. Remember? You said, ooh!
I am merely an admirer of your royal personage, here with a birthday present.
For me? A present for my own royal self for my birthday. Oh, boy, what is it? What, diamonds maybe, eh? Or rubies?
None of those cheap items, your wonderful worship. Behold this, a levitator.
A levitator! What is it?
The greatest thing since flying carpets.
Oh, Ma, did you hear? Did you hear?
I heard. When I see, I'll believe.
Can you make it work and do what it does and everything like that?
It will be my pleasure, your royal regalship.
Oh, using spaghetti for bait, very clever idea, Nico.
That's right, Noco. My head, she's more than a hat rack. You know, says someone's coming.
Food? Good.
What is pirates bringing it?
Pirates?
Shh.
How are we going to get door open?
I'm a-bringing my skeleton key. Now, when I'm open the door, we both grab a Dolittle.
Hey, we got a big surprise for you. A spaghetti dinner.
Any more surprises, Nico?
Where to now, Doctor?
We've got to get to the Maharaja to save that egg. Be careful, the other pirates could be anywhere.
Oh, pirates. How did I ever get myself into this?
And, applying the elementary laws of physics, when I press the down button, the objects descend.
Talk. I have seen nothing.
Then observe this feat, performed before your very eyes.
Easy, boss! Easy!
Now I bring him down.
Oh, that's magnificent. Can you make me go up like him and float and everything?
With the utmost pleasure, I shall levitate your royal self instantly.
Sheldon, listen to your mother. This is for us, nothing but trouble.
Rise, O great one.
Oh! Oh, look, I'm floating. Look, Ma, no hands.
Ooh, Sheldon, come down. Come down right this minute.
I'll make it easy. Why don't you go up to him?
Oh, no! Get me down! My blood pressure! Guards!
The more, the merrier.
It's very good and fun and even clever. For this, I will give you a special gift.
Don't bother, your moronic majesty. I'll take this and call it even.
Scurvy! Bring back that egg! Get us down!
I have always believed in politeness to the feminine gender. So politely I say, you got a big mouth!
Sheldon, did you hear how he talked to your mother?
But, Mama, I'm up here, and he's there, and I can't because, and we're, and they are.
You don't love your mother, Sheldon!
Oh, mon ami, this time you have done it! Let us not count our ogle birds before they are hatched. We still have to force Dolittle into teaching us how to converse with the animals. And by now, Nico and Noco will have him. With this egg, we really got him. Come on!
Someone's coming.
It's Scurvy and his guys.
Oh, they got the egg.
In here, everyone, quickly. We've got to get that egg back before Scurvy destroys it.
How, Doc?
I think I've got it. Oren, Gigi, now listen. Here's what I want each of you to do.